I see the horizon, a light blue, a beautiful band. This is the earth and how beautiful it is. All goes well. A woman pleasant greetings to everyone. It's me Samir Parazuli from Garakot for Nawalpur, and presently I'm 16 years old and pursuing my class 11th education in Sri Janak Model Secondary School. And today I'm going to deliver a short speech on the topic Women in Space. But before that, I would like to thank Nepal Astronomical Society NASO for conducting such an empowering programs for youngsters like us. Thank you so much, NASO. There may be a question that always strikes our mind with great enthusiasm. That is, what is space science? Actually, space science is actually a branch of science that encompasses all the scientific disciplines that involves either space exploration, study of natural phenomena, or physical bodies that is present in outer space. It covers so many criteria such as space exploration, astrobiology, space medicine, and so many more as well. The topic women in space itself carry a huge message for youngsters like all of us, isn't it? Actually, the main theme of the topic women in space is that not only men, women are also even present and active in activities of space exploration since the beginning of the human flight. Actually, the human flight was first made by a man in 1961 AD, but just after 2 years of that, female created the history. And the female, who was just 26 years old and who was a Russian cosmonaut who fled to the space in 1963 in June 16, 1963, and made a history for this world, creating and representing an inspiration model for the women of this present day. Till now, 65 women have flown in space, including cosmonaut, astronauts, and space station participants. But among them, Valentina Tereshkova is the first woman who fled to space with a solo mission in her space capsule Vostok 6 in June 16, 1963 AD, creating the history and representing women from world. Not only Valentina Tereshkova, there are so many notable women who just have given their best and created the history and become a source of inspiring models for so many other people as well. Let's talk about some more. NASA astronaut Mae Jemison flew on Space Shuttle Endeavour's STS-47 mission in 1992, becoming the first black woman in space. Even though during that time, during 1992, there was a huge discrimination between white people and black people in America and other countries, even though she managed to create a history, and now she is one of a lucky charm and a source of inspiring model for so many people who are even now discriminated. Not only this, the most women in space, that is 4 women at one time. It happened in 2010 when Space Shuttle Discovery visited the space station for STS-131 mission. Isn't this amazing? 4 women in space at the same time. Wow, that really seems exciting. NASA astronaut Christina Koch spent 328 consecutive days in microgravity in 2020 and 2019, setting the record for the longest duration in space for a woman during a space mission. She even said that she worked on hundreds of experiments, including the study of protein crystals and plants in space. This really is much very interesting and deserves a lot of respect, man. 328 consecutive days in a space in microgravity is not a small thing, isn't it? What do you think about it? Definitely comment it below. This was some glimpse of some women. Not only this, NASA astronaut Susam Lems was the first female crew member aboard the space station who shares the record for the longest spacewalk, taking 8 hours and 56 minutes with his fellow astronauts Jim Voss. This is also so much inspiring because walking for 8 hours and 56 minutes in a even earth gives us so many glimpses of pains. Then just imagine in a microgravity with a zero gravity, how does it feel it to be? Even it is not that much easier as we think is to be after listening this. So these were some glimpses of the women who just have made the history in the past years and have become a source of inspiration for so many youngsters and women and even adults. And at last, I would like to say that women can do whatever they wish to do. And the people, the women which I mentioned before, they are the example for all of us. Isn't it? What do you think about it? So, this much for today. I hope you just have learned something new from this. Have a wonderful time. Thank you for watching.